everyone, it's Natasha here, and today I'm back with another box swap. If you can hear anything in the background, it's my air conditioning on or my husband speaking in the background. So today the box has come all the way from England. This is the size of it. We thought it got lost for a while, but it finally arrived today. And let's get into it. So, first of all, there's a letter. I'm just going to quickly read this. Oh, that's so sweet. Wow, she packaged this really good with loads and loads and loads of bubble wrap. Let's see if I can get into it. The first thing I see is fish and chips. And there's 1, 2 of salt and vinegar, and there's 2 of curry sauce. Oh my god, there's so much in here. Then there's a little Minnie Mouse tin. I think it's got mints or sweets or something inside because it rattles. I'm not going to open that now, I'll open it later. Right. This is the first gift. That's so cute. Look at the little ducks. I love rubber ducks and these are so cute. Thank you. And then there's this one. She wrapped them really good, I can't get into them now. A candle, a cherry candle. It smells really nice. There's this one. Yay, she got me munchies. I love munchies. They're the best thing ever. So if you ever get a swap from England, ask for munchies. A duck soap, that is so cute, thank you. And then there's this one. My god, I can't get into it. W7 palette. Oh my god, they're so pretty. Such pretty colours. So me. And then there's this one. This is going to be a long video because I can't get into anything. I might have to stop it and go get my scissors. Yeah, I will. I'll be right back. Right, I got some scissors and let's finish off opening this one. A W7 mascara. Can't wait to try that. And this one. Ooh, Milky Bar Cookie. I've never heard of that and I can't wait to try it. Sorry about that, I'm still quite ill, but I'm getting better. She must have read my mind because I love these. I used to eat them all the time when I was in England. My god, there's so much here. Oh, that's so beautiful. I love Disney and my favourite princess is Belle. That is so pretty. Got to find a photo frame to put that up in now. Thank you. And this one. She sent me some of these in my last swap and I did ask her to send some more. I love these. And then there's this one. Some more munchies. And then this one. She packed it so well with so much bubble wrap. Into it. Oh my god. So pretty. Belle in a glass and it has stars all in it. Oh my god, that's so pretty. Thank you. And that's this one. Excuse me. It's a fragrance diffuser and it's Christmas pudding. Oh my god, it smells so nice. Thank you. They look so yummy. Can't wait to try those. Yum, they look really nice. Dark chocolate and chewy toffee. Yummy. Oh my god, this one weighs so much. Rose body wash. Gonna have a smell. Oh, that smells really nice. Can't wait to use that. Thank you. Excuse me. Some more munchies. I think I'm good for munchies now. Another candle, Merry Berry. Oh, that smells really nice. I can't wait to burn those. Another one. And another one, Christmas trees. This is my favourite scent from them. Oh. There's so much here. Another packet of munchies. This one. Spearmint juice. I've never had these, so I can't wait to try these. Some Rose body lotion. Can't wait to use this. Thank you. Oh, it smells nice, whatever it is. I think they're tarts, like wax things. Oh, they smell really nice. I have gingerbread. I love gingerbread. And then peony. And then Old Christmas Tree. Then True Cherry. That smells so nice. And Gooseberry Cobbler. And Figgy Pudding. Smells so nice. A few more. A white Lion Bar. I've had original Lion Bars when I used to live in England, and I can't wait to try this white one because I like white chocolate as well. A W7 Prime Magic. Can't wait to try this. And then this one. And it's the Rose Fragrance Mist to go with the other Rose body wash and body lotion. Can't wait, it smells so nice. And then last gift, God, she got me an owl oil burner set, which I think you can burn the waxes in it. Thank you so much. Oh my God, there's so much there. Can't believe it. Thank you so much. Please comment down below if you would like to see me do a taste test of all these stuff from England, and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Until next time. Bye!